welcome to Clay House. It's me, Alice. Let's get started, everyone! Today, I will make a two-tone house with the appearance of Elsa and Hello Kitty. I'm making a house using cardboard and clay. Hope everyone likes the video.
A new kitty bed.
Do you like this DIY video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support my channel.
and those who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom locked down. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts.
So the house is done.
Make us spell
If you like, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel.
But I told you so.
Goodbye and see you in the next video. Playhouse loves you.